The poem My Heart Leaps Up by William Wordsworth. I'm Manusha Tennakon. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe it for more videos. Content of the presentation. Number 1, Romantic Era. Number 2, William Wordsworth. Number 3, the analysis of the poem that will be done under different elements such as structure, literary devices, and themes. Romantic poetry. The Romantic period began roughly around 1798 and lasted until 1837. The form of poetry written during Romantic era emphasizes on emotions rather than reason. Imaginations, emotions, nature, pastoral life, symbolism, and individualism are some recognized characteristics and elements of Romantic poetry. William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth was an English Romantic poet who pioneered to launch the Romantic age in English literature. He was born in 1770 and he died in 1850. He held a firm faith that nature could enlighten the kind-heartedness and universal brotherhood of human beings, and only existing in harmony with nature where man could get true happiness. According to William Wordsworth, poetry means spontaneous overflow of feelings. Let's understand the structure of the poem. The poem My Heart Leaps Up is a single stanza poem with 9 lines. It is a very short poem with a very simple choice of diction. When the attention is paid to the rhyming scheme of the poem, it is clear that rhyme scheme of this piece is A, B, C, C, A, B, C, D, D. Let's be familiar with the poem My Heart Leaps Up. The same poem has been given another title, The Rainbow. We'll be familiar with the poem, analyzing it line by line. So, we'll first take first 2 lines together. My heart leaps up when I behold a rainbow in the sky. Here, the speaker explains his reaction to a rainbow. Accordingly, it is obvious that poet has a deep attraction for the natural world because rainbow is a natural phenomena and he loves it a lot. Line number 3 and 4. So was it when my life began. So is it now I am a man. Within these 2 lines, the speaker is talking about his reaction to the rainbow in his past and present. He was happy seeing a rainbow as a small boy. His childhood habit is still with him. As a grown-up man, he can be happy seeing a rainbow now. Line number 5 and 6. So be it when I shall grow old, or let me die. Here in line 5, he explains his future wish and what he would do if he couldn't materialize his wish. The speaker has become a bit extreme here. He says that he prefers death to being unable to be happy seeing a rainbow in his old age. Line number 7. The child is father of the man. So this is the most important and controversial line of the poem My Heart Leaps Up. Here, Wordsworth uses a very straightforward metaphor which has enormous applications. All the people in the world once were children. What and how people learn as children decide who they are today. In the same way, how we bring up a child today will decide what type of a man we can have in future. The speaker in the poem loved nature as a small child. That is why as a grown-up man too, he is a nature lover. Last 2 lines, line number 8 and 9. I could wish my days to be bound each to each by natural piety. The poet ends the poem with a wish. He wants the remaining number of days in his life to be tied together with the love of nature. After being familiar with the poem, we'll see what literary devices are available in the poem. Synecdoche. Synecdoche refers to the practice of using a part of something to stand in for the whole thing or vice versa. Here in this poem, my heart leaps up. The happiness refers to the entire happiness that the speaker possesses being closer to nature. It does not refer only to the happiness that the speaker gets seeing a rainbow. Anaphora. Anaphora refers to repeating a sequence of words at the beginning of adjoining lines. In this poem, the lines number 3, 4 and 5 start with the same sound so. So was it when my life began. So is it now I am a man. So be it when I shall grow old. Hyperbole. Hyperbole is the use of exaggeration. The speaker in the poem says, it is better to die rather than being unable to be happy seeing a rainbow in his old age. Metaphor. In a metaphor, a thing is regarded as representative or symbolic of something else. Here, the comparison between child and father is very strong and symbolic. The child is the father of the man. Even though the poem My Heart Leaps Up is a very short and simple poem, it contains very important themes. Theme number 1, nature. The speaker of the poem loves nature so much that he would rather die than losing the capacity to feel joy at the sight of a rainbow. He views nature as a way to tie together every day of his life in peace and joy. Theme number 2, happiness. The very first line of the poem, My heart leaps up when I behold, mentions the idea of happiness. The whole poem is about the happiness the speaker gains without much effort. Just like the speaker of the poem, we too have to identify the things that make us happy. Theme number 3, time. Even though the poem is simply a happy poem about nature, it also touches the topic of the passing time, mostly in the form of aging. We can hear the entire lifespan of the speaker in the poem, from birth to death. Even though he is getting older, he is still young in his appreciation of nature. So, the speaker emphasizes the importance of staying young at heart. This is the end of today's presentation. Subscribe my channel for more educational videos. Thank you very much.